In the rapidly evolving landscape of digital content, short-form videos have emerged as a dominant force. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts have transformed how audiences consume media, favoring quick, engaging clips over longer, traditional content. Enter RocketClips, an AI-powered tool designed to revolutionize video creation by making the process faster, easier, and more efficient than ever before. Short-form video content is experiencing an unprecedented surge in popularity. With millions of users consuming bite-sized content daily, the demand for fresh and engaging videos is higher than ever. For content creators, marketers, and businesses, keeping up with this demand can be a daunting task. Traditional methods of video creation involve extensive manual work, including hours of editing, writing, and designing. RocketClips is poised to change all that. RocketClips is an all-in-one AI-powered application designed to streamline the video creation process. It offers a suite of tools that automate content curation, face tracking, layout design, animated captions, and more across virtually every major social media platform. This cloud-based app aims to simplify video production, enabling users to generate multiple short videos with just a few clicks. RocketClips offers an exclusive founders deal, providing users with an agency commercial license. This license allows them to create videos for clients, charging a premium fee for their services. The deal includes a 30-day money-back guarantee, ensuring that users can explore the platform risk-free. As the demand for short-form video content continues to rise, RocketClips stands out as a game-changer in the industry. By harnessing the power of AI, it simplifies the video creation process, making it accessible to everyone, from novice creators to seasoned professionals. With its extensive features and ease of use, RocketClips is poised to become the go-to tool for anyone looking to create impactful short videos quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching.